Today, I will show you how to generate a random secure password with Python. So usually if you write some systems, it is inevitable to create some password with some criterion. Usually the password requirement will be create, for example, maybe less than 6 or 8, and I make here a length of 20. And the password should has at least one uppercase and at least one lowercase, and at least one number. So for this requirement, we can think what we need. In this tutorial, we need 3 packages. They are all nature packages, so you don't need to install any other third-party library. Here are 3 things. The first is string, the second is secret, the third one is random. Okay, all the procedure will be like here. At first, select an uppercase character, then select a lowercase character, select a number, and put the 3 selected chars together. And after that, select the rest chars in all allowed chars. That means it also includes the punctuation. And the rest chars should be 20 minus 3 equals to 17 chars. Then we should put the 3 selected chars with the rest 17 selected chars together. And then shuffle the 20 chars. We will get our password. Now let's do it step for step. So first, let's select uppercase. Select an uppercase. We can use the secrets. Let's first look at the string and async. Uppercase. So you see, this will show us the uppercase chars. And if we want to select one of them, we can simply do it with the secret choice. Secrets choice. Take a look. Yes, we selected a Y, and run it again. We select D. So for the second, select a lowercase. Do the same thing. Secrets. Let's at first take a look. What is ASCII key lowercase? See here is the lowercase characters, and do the same thing. Secrets choice. Yeah, we can select also run it again. We can also select some lowercase characters. So next, let's do the same thing for selector number. At first, take a look at what's the number here. So that should be digits. See, we get 0 to 9 digits, and if we want to choose them, the same thing, secrets. We can do choice. Take a look. We get 4. Run it again. We get 7. Okay. Now we need to put the 3 selected charts together. How can we do that? We can make a character. We can selected charts is equal to a list. Then we put all the 3 things. We put all the 3 select charts into the list. So we just select charts, append. No, we don't use append, we use extend. The reason why I use here you can use append or extend both, but later we should use extend. So just copy here. The second do the same thing. Put the lowercase here. Okay, then let's take a look at what is the selected charts. See, we have a uppercase, a lowercase, and a digital charts. So now we still need to select 17 charts in the all allowed charts. What are the all allowed charts? There are three types of all allowed charts. Secrets. Take a look what kind of selection we have. We can use string, ASCII, letters. This is all the letters inclusive uppercase and lowercase, and also punctuation. We need also punctuation. We see that's all this stuff, and we need also digits. Yeah, okay, so we can put them together. Put the 3 type charts together and name it as allowed charts equal to this one. Then let's take a look what is allowed charts. Okay. Then we will do the rest charts. We need to do it 17 times. The same thing, secret, choice, allowed charts, 4 in range, 17. So let's take a look at what is this selected rest charts. See, here are 17 rest charts selected, and here is a list comprehension. It runs 17 times. Each time we select one chart from all the allowed charts. Now we can put the 3 selected chars with the rest 17 chars together. Just do the same thing. Selected chars, extend rest. Let's make rest chars, extend selected chars. Then let's take a look. So we see they are all here. Here I want to point out, don't use append. Why? If you use append, you can find this behavior because it extends the list as it append a list as a one element. But if you use extend, it will flatten it. It will flatten the list. So you will see this is what you want. Now you can shuffle the 20 chars. Here we need to use the random function. Random shuffle. This simply means shuffle the shuffle the list. And we can take a look what is the we can take a look for the shuffle, and take a look what is after the shuffle, the different behaviors. See, there are 2 different lists. And with the same elements. Okay. Now the last step, we need to combine the chars to our password. So this is very simple. Just use join. I think everyone knows that. Selected rest chars. Then name it as password. We can take a look. What is password? Yes, this is a cool password. So put all the things together. We can write a function so that you don't need to write one every time. Write it again. Then take a look. Diff generate password. Then we use here length is equal to 20. And here put all the things here. The first select the 3 chars and put them together. Then select the rest chars. And I should here set the rest chars length equal to length minus 3. Then here should be rest chars length offset, extend. Extend the charts. So it's better. Let's put the things together. So it will be more clear what I'm doing here. So here's so here's what I'm doing. And okay, after put the selected 3 charts with the 17 rest charts together, we can shuffle the charts. Then password. Combine the charts to our password. And now this is a list. This is not our password. Okay. Then here return password. So if you run this, we can take a look now. Generate password. We make it 20. So we get a cool password. So we can also make an 8. But if we sometimes only 2, then it's also okay. But there is a problem. We usually want our password not lower than 6, the length of 6. So we can do here, just add error handling. If length small than, for example, we don't want it shorter than 8 characters, we can do that. Raise exception length must be longer than 6. Must be longer than 8 charts. Okay, so if I put here 6, then here an error will be erased. So this code is very secure. And if we 30, it will also works. We can take a look. And the length of password. Yeah. 30. Yeah, it works. This is for today. If you want this code, please visit my website www.codeharvest.com. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time.